Hello, my name is Amit and we are learning Python. So we have to discuss Module 6 file handling. File handling allow you to create, read, write, delete files using built-in Python function. Create example.txt file. How to create the file? First let's go and create a file. Go to the file, click on the new file, give some name, like I'm going to give file dash file1 dash handling dot py. Okay, so we have a new file. Now we can create all the files using our this file. You can check this. Here, this is our file. Now, so create text file. How we can create a text file? Let's see. We have a folder here, and we will create a text file here. We have two text file here, example and then example2. Let me create one text file using Python. How we can create that? So go to the VS Code, then click on new file, then give a name like example.3 text, click in and then click enter. Okay, give a name like example3 dot txt, enter. Here, see this. Here a new file is created. So just open this file. So this file is blank, nothing is here, this is blank. Okay, now so we have created a text file using the Python. After that, now opening a file. So file open, then give the name of a file with a path and then mode is like this: read mode, write mode, appends, create, binary modes, text mode, and the read and write. Fine. So let's see this. So reading file, how we can read that? Here, copy this program, paste here. File1 underscore handling 2. So I'm pasting here. File equal to open, and this is the path of our file, and give the name of the file example.3. So this is the file, this file. After that, read mode and then content f read and then print. So let's, okay, when we run this program, see the result. Okay, let's change the file name. Close this. Okay, I'm going to put something here like hello world, I am Amit learning Python. Okay, I write this and save this. Okay, I'm going to change the name because it's not taking properly. So I'm giving it 6, example 6. Fine. So we have program file equal to open, and this is the path, and file name is example 6. First check the name, whether the name is correct or not. Copy the rename, copy this. Okay, fine. Now when I run this program, let's see. Hello world, I am Amit learning Python. So give one more thing. I am fine. What about you? Save this. Again run this program. See. Hello world, I am Amit learning Python. I am fine. What about you? So we are reading the file. So first we have created a file, that is text file, and now we are reading the file. Whatever the content inside this file, text file, we can read using this Python program. Fine. So this is a read mode, and R is the syntax. Just a minute. See this. Okay. So file handling mode. So mode description: R read, W for write, A for append, X for create, B for binary mode, T for text mode, and plus read and write mode. Fine. So whenever we write file equal to open and then file name and then R. So this is read mode. Whenever I write content equal to file dot read, it's read entire file. If I write like this, line 1, file read line, this is read line first. If I write like this, file read lines, read all lines. So let's see this. So we have read the content, whatever the content into the file, text file, it's read using this program. After that, now file open. Now I want to read only first line. So let me copy this program. I'm going to paste below this. Okay, I'm going to make this comment. Now only this program will run. So this program is file equal to open, and this is the path where our text file is stored. Just give a name, the 6 example.6, because file name is example.6. This is the file that we created, and this is a read mode, and then content equal to file read line. It means it will read only the first line, and then print content file close. Okay. Just hold on. Okay, we have our spelling is not correct. Example 6, now perfect. Fine. Just give the correct name, otherwise it will throw the error. See this. Hello world, I am Amit learning Python. We have 2 lines, but it's reading only 1 line. See. Hello world, I am Amit learning Python. I am fine. What about you? So it's not reading this line. It's the Python reading only first line, because we are writing the like this. File equal to open, the path and the name of the file, that is text file, and read mode, then content equal to file dot read line. When we use file.readline, it will read the first line only, and then print content and then close the file. After reading, close the file. So run this once again. See, only first line, it's reading only first line. Fine. Let me comment this. Okay. Okay. Close this sheet also. After that, so this is a text file, reading text file. We can read the Excel file also, but we need to install pandas. So just see this, how we can do this. Here, import pandas as PD and df equal to pd.read underscore excel and path name of the Excel file is company data and print df. Let me show you. We have Excel file name company data, this D drive, D folder, D drive and SCT folder, and then Python. This. See, we have data like ID, name, department, and salary, and this is the data. Fine. So I am going to import this data into the VS Studio using Python program. So this is our program, import pandas as PD and then df equal to pd.read excel, then path and then name of the file company data.xls. Run this program. It will take some time because it's importing the data. See this. ID, then name, department, and the salary. This is the data under the Excel sheet. So we import the data like this. But here we have to install the pandas library to import the data from Excel file. Okay, let's move. After that, this is we learn about the read mode. We can read the file. Now write mode. Writing and appending to the file. So write to the file, it's overwrite the file. There is a difference between write and read. Whenever we use write, it will overwrite on something, or let's simply write this. When we use append, it will add. It doesn't overwrite. It's add something. We will see. So file equal to open, name of the file and with path and W, that is mode. So W mode will override this file if it's already exists. See this, how we can write this file. That is file equal to open, the path and the name of the file, that is example 6.txt, and W mode is W, that is we are going to write something on the file, and file.write namaste aap kaise ho, like this. Fine. So let's open this, our text file. This is the text file. Open this. See, this is override. The old data is deleted and the new data namaste aap kaise ho is written here. Fine. Now if I comment this program and run this program, first program. Okay, name is changed. Example. Namaste, kaise ho aap? Now this time data is changed because we write something on the text file. Fine. After that, append to the file. Append to the file. It's added the value. It doesn't overwrite, because when you use this write, it's overwrite. It's deleted the old content and write something whatever we put into the program, in our program. It's delete the old data and overwrite the new data. But in append, it doesn't overwrite. It's added. Let's see with the example. Hello. Okay. Appends to file. It's added the value. It doesn't overwrite. It's added. Let's see with the example. See here, the program is same, but I make this \n, this these things, to append something, and I want to append namaste aap kaise ho. I want to change this. How are you? Run this program. Give the name, file name, fix, run the program. Fine. So check the file whether it is appended or not. See this. Namaste aap kaise ho is the first, earlier we overwrite, and then how are you? We added something using the append. After that, the with statement automatically handle file closing. With open example, give the name of the file and read mode as file and data.file.read print data, like this. Okay, just hold on. With open, this is a path example.6 and read mode as file data file.read. Let me comment this. Now run this program. Okay, namaste aap kaise ho ji and how are you? So the with statement, using with statement, with open file, automatically handle file closing. File object method. So this is a method and this is a description. So read entire file, read line, reads a single line, then reads lines, read all the lines into the list. After that, write text to the file, write lines of the file, single line, then seek, move cursor to the position n, tell, return current file position, then close. close the file. Close we can use to close the file. After that, check if files exist. So import os if os.path.exist example.this, print file exist, else it doesn't exist. So copy this program and paste into our VS Studio. Let me make this comment. See this, import os if os.path.exist, print file exist, else it doesn't exist. So I am going to run this program first. Let's see. File exists. How? Example name of the file is example.txt is available. If I change the name, like I made it 3. Now run the program. So file doesn't exist because we don't have example.3. We don't have file. So this program help us to understand whether the file is exist in our folder or not. So import os if os path os.path exist, then give the name of the file. Let's suppose our file is example.6. Yes, it exists here. We created this file example.6. After that, okay, same thing, delete file. We can delete any file. Let's suppose we have created our file here example.6. now I'm going to delete this file. So use this program, import os remove, and give the name of the file. Okay, just comment this, the whole program. Okay, after that, give the path. This is our path. Control C and then okay. So we are going to delete the file. This file example.6. Here we created this file. Now I want to delete this. So use this program, import os, then os.remove, and give the path and name of the file. Run this. Okay, now check the folders. Here our file is deleted, only 2 text file is available. Fine. After that, file handling exception. So file handling exception. Handling file exception is in Python is important to avoid crashes when something goes wrong during file operation, such as when a file doesn't exist or there's a permission issue. Basic example, file handling not found. So we have program like this. Let's try this. Make this comment. Okay, so we use try. File open data.exit r content file, print content, then file dot close exempt except file not found error. So the file was not found. It will not show the error, but it will show the message like this: the file was not found. If file exists, it will show the file. Otherwise, it show like this. See, let's suppose I make like this. Let me comment this. After that, comment this also. File content. Right. Okay, so I want to read this file, but this file doesn't exist in our folder data.txt. Let me check. Is there any? file with the name data.txt? No, we don't have. So let me check this. When I run this program, I want to read something, some data. See, file not found error. But I don't want to see this kind of error. I want something message. Then we can write the program like this. Just remove this program and let me copy from our note and then paste this. So now this time when I click this, see it doesn't show the error, but it's reflect the message. The file was not found because file is not existing in this folder. We don't have file with the name of data.txt. So this is called the file handling exception. Handling file exception. Okay. Then again, using with a statement and exception handling. How we can do that? We can copy this. This is a file handling not found. The error is not found, but here with a statement and exception handling. Try with open example.txt, read as f, print f.read, then accept file not found or print file not found, permission denied. Whenever file exists, it will read mode. It will open the file, copy the data. If not, it will reflect the message like file not found. If there is a permission issue, it will reflect the message like this, but it doesn't show the error. So let me try this. Okay, this time. Hello world, my name is Amit Kamath. I am a IT skill trainer and total 7 years of work experience. So we have a file like this here. Example, name of the file is example. See this example. So we have a file here. See. Hello world, my name is Amit Kamath and I am a IT skill trainer. Total 7 years of work experience. Fine. That's why it's show the message. If I change the name of the file, let's suppose 5. Now when I run this, file not found because there is no file with the name of example.5, example 5. It doesn't exist. That's why it shows the message file not found. So this is the exception handling file exception using with a statement. So we have completed the module 6 file handling. Thank you very much.